What up, everybody? Who is LouieXIII? Back again. I am Louie, and as you guys can see, we out here, you know, riding around. And as you can see in the title, in the thumbnail and all that, we're talking about the quickest way to mess up your Challenger, Charger, you know, 392 Scat Pack, widebody, Hellcat, redeye, Demon, all that stuff, man. Something that we all do. Well, maybe not all of us, but me for sure. I mean, I'm doing it right now. And hold up for a second, because he's gonna have a little fun real quick right here at the stop. Let this guy go. Go ahead there, buddy. See what we could do here. Because I turned traction control all the way off, right? You guys just seen that, but you could hear the engine still cutting off a little bit. So I don't know if I didn't give it enough time or what happened there. It doesn't do that all the time, but from time to time it does do that. That's kind of weird. But back to what we were just talking about, like I was saying, it's something that I do all too often. I've been getting better at it as the honeymoon stage has been, you know, declining a little bit. You know, I'm still in it just a bit. I've had the car for about 4 months now, but I still enjoy it very much, man. And I just like to go fast, man. They call me Young Ricky Bobby.
Now, is there anyone out there who wants to go fast? Anybody?
I want to go fast.
Hey, get him a suit. Hurry up.
But like I said, I've been getting better at it. I haven't been doing it as much, because when I first got the car, and up until like very recently, I would do it all the time. I'm talking about all the time, every single day. It's the only mode I would drive in, and maybe by this time you guys might know what I'm talking about. As I get up in here, that's weird too. Like, see how it just redlined right there? That's crazy. It does that every now and then. I don't know what the hell that's all about. But drop that down in the comments if that's ever happened to you guys before. That shit startles me, man. What the hell? In there dipping, and then it just hits the red line without shifting. But that's part of what we're talking about today, which is track mode. And I know personally I do track mode all the time, man. Like, not all the time, but like I said, I've been getting better at it. I've been trying eco mode and just keeping it in street. But it's hard, man. When you got all this power, you know, you just want to use it if you're anything like me. And I just installed this pedal box. I got that thing turned all the way up too. So now it's kind of like, you know, I heard that ain't too good to do for your transmission and engine either. So I got to kind of be careful. I tend to overdo it with stuff. You guys will get accustomed to that, you know, if you follow along. But yeah, man, so that's what we're talking about here today, is track mode, and how it's bad to keep your transmission in track mode all the time. It's not meant to be driven in track mode, you know, for daily driving. That's pretty much only for what it says, the track. If you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, drop a comment down below. Tell me what you guys want to see next, what you guys want to talk about, and we'll get it done, man. We do a lot of stuff over here, so if you guys aren't familiar, just know we do a lot of runs in Mexico. We do a lot of mods. We do a lot of reviews. We do everything car related, anything and everything, man, and we keep it fun. We like to have fun with it. We don't take stuff too serious. But if you guys stick with me, man, you'll get to know how we do things over here. Check it out. We got a little Challenger Mopar fam. Hold up. Damn, all over Gabby. Alright, my bad, guys. You know, when you see a car that looks like your friend's, you gotta do that, man. If you know, you know. But yeah, guys, so track mode, man. Something that I have like an issue. Like, I can't not put my car in track mode. I've been getting better at it, I've been able to resist putting it in track mode so much now, and basically it's just the thought of like, you know, I'm messing up my car when I do it too often, you know. I have quite a few videos up already, you know, at this point. And you know, ever since the very beginning when I got this car, I always put it in track mode. Ever since I broke it in, I didn't do it when it was in the break-in stage. Maybe once after it was like around, you know, 600 miles or something like that, because I couldn't help myself. But I did pretty good during the break-in stage. But ever since then, you know, I've been having it in track mode pretty much, you know, most of the time. And people would tell me in the comments, you know, here and there, like, yo, you know, it's not good to have your car in track mode all the time. You're gonna mess up your vehicle. You should be aware of that. You know, they've been warning me. They've been warning me for quite some time now. So I've been meaning to talk about it. It's just like a lot of content that I've been having to get out lately. So, you know, I'm barely getting around to talking about it, but I've known about it for a couple months now. And, you know, it's something that you guys should know, because if you're anything like me, it's kind of an addicting feeling if you have that type of personality such as myself. You know, I didn't get this car to drive slow. Sport mode is cool, but I don't know, man. Something about that the aggressive shifts and the extra pops you get, you know, the extra sound, the response. It's just something about it that, you know, I just like to keep it in that mode. And I've heard of a lot of people just driving it in track mode, so I don't know if it's a myth or if it's the truth, but you know, we need to find out, man, because people have been telling me it's not good, so it kind of got me a little weary about putting it in track mode all the time. You know what I'm saying? I see why it wouldn't be good. I could see why, but at the same time, don't you think Dodge would tell us like track mode is specifically for track, don't drive it in track all the time? You know, shouldn't they tell us that? Or do they just want us to mess up our vehicles? I don't know. But you know, I haven't seen nothing like that. I googled it, I YouTubed it, and not too many things came up. So if you guys got videos, if you guys got links, you could post them down below, or you know, let me know where to go to look this stuff up. That way we could figure it out. I'm not trying to mess up my car, man. It's a brand new vehicle. And you know, I like to have fun, I like to enjoy it, but at the same time, I want to enjoy it for, you know, a good amount of time. I don't want to be overdoing it and then, you know, a short amount of time down the road, have it break down on me and have to go through all that. So if you guys got any links, any references that you can post down below, then, you know, we would much appreciate it. Just treat it like a forum, man. Let's talk about it. And you know, share your experiences, what you guys think, your thoughts on the matter. Is track mode bad to do all the time? Is it okay? What do you guys think? So is it gonna hurt your transmission in the long run? Maybe, maybe not. I think that possibly it can hurt your transmission in the long run, but you know, personally, if it was that big of a deal, I think for sure they would tell you, you know, don't be using this all the time. It's gonna hurt your transmission, you're gonna mess up your vehicle, and there would be a lot more people, you know, showing up at the dealership with, you know, bad transmissions or whatever due to using track mode all the time. Now, I've heard about it here and there from people, you know, talking about it in the comments. A lot of people seem to believe that it is bad to use track mode all the time. This is just something that I wanted to share with you guys because, you know, a lot of people have been telling me to be careful keeping my car in track mode. And I just want to hear what everybody's opinion is on this. You know, what do you guys think? Is it bad on your vehicle to keep it in track mode all the time, or are you okay? Me personally, my opinion, I don't think it's like extra bad to where you gotta like never put your car in track mode, but obviously I don't think it's the smartest thing to keep it in track mode all of the time, you know, 24/7. I would say I keep mine in track mode probably 70% of the time. I ain't gonna lie, it's probably 70% of the time I have mine in track mode, maybe a little bit less here and there. So like I said before, you know, drop a comment down below, tell me your guys' opinions on it, let's talk about it. I'm interested to see what you guys think. That's pretty much gonna do it for this one. I just wanted to get that discussion started, that way we could get more opinions on it and we could really see, because I looked it up and I couldn't really find too much stuff on it. Just a whole bunch of people saying like, yo, you shouldn't drive it in track mode all the time. So tell me what you guys think. Other than that, if you enjoy the content, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, drop a comment down below. Tell me what you guys want to see next. Tell me what I can improve on, and we'll be sure to get it done for you guys, man. All links to everything I use and recommend in the description below. So if you're interested in any of that stuff, go down there. It's all there for you. Who is LouieXIII checking out? Salute. Appreciate you guys so much. I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one.